I've had a 1250 Bandit come in with a running issue at 4,500 RPM. It just doesn't really go over it. It's unusual. Check the fuel, check inside the tank for any crap. There was a couple of wee scattered bits, but nothing dramatic. Didn't think that would be any fault. But anyway, customer had supplied me the fuel pump motor, so swapped them around. It was a wee bit dirty when we were replacing it. The one that was in it wasn't very powerful. Put the other one in it. It was running perfect for 3 days, and then just stopped working again. Pulled it apart again and seen little bits in it and around the gauze. It's like, a little bit of dirt trying to get in there. I'll maybe have a better look inside the tank and see what I can find. And lo and behold, it's like this. Third time swishing it around and there's still loads in it. Never ending, just keeps giving me more. Not even close to the amount that actually did come out. So how did I not see it the first time? Well, it took you to like swirl the whole tank around like you're panning for gold. Plus when I originally was looking in, you're only got that, so you can't actually see anything really, bar a couple of bits in the corners where you can sort of see if there's water in it. But same again, very hard to see anything. So I've sucked as much out of it as I possibly can. There probably will be more over time as the tank sheds the little bits of rust on it. I have told the customer about that. I did also take from his broken starter motor some magnets out, and I've placed them in the tank, so they should catch any loose bits, and hopefully that'll stop it from getting near the fuel pump. Yeah, now it works fucking man, rocket ship.